welcome back to Chic Blends.
My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Quee, and in today's video, repurchase the Givenchy Shark Boots. So we will be unboxing those, so if you're interested in what those look like, make sure you stay tuned.
And if you guys are new to our channel, make sure you guys go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We do everything luxury, beauty, and fashion. So if you like things like that, follow your girls, okay? All right, let's get this video started. Okay, you guys, so I am super excited about this purchase. So the boot that I am going to be unboxing for you guys is the Givenchy Shark Boots. They just dropped this boot not too long ago, so let's get this thing started. So this right here are the oh Lord, about to kill myself with the box. So this is the box that it comes in, and it is the white Givenchy box. And then let's go ahead and open these babies up.
Ooh, I'm excited.
And we are actually going to just flip this view around for you guys so you can just get a better view of this unboxing.
So this is the inside of the Givenchy box. As you see, this is the dust bag. It has Givenchy writing going across the dust bag, and it does have two dust bags. So let me show you the back. This is the back. It does have the Givenchy logo. And we'll take these out so you can actually see the shoe. Okay, these are the beautiful boots. And look at the padlock on one boot. It has a silver padlock, as you see. And then the other boot has a nice, beautiful gold and silver padlock. So as you see, the toe is an almond toe, super pretty. And then when you turn it over to the side, you guys can't see, but this is actually a wedge heel, and the wedge height is 3.7 inches. So if you don't like heels, this is definitely not the boot for you, because it is narrow and you will feel it in your calves, girl. And let me show you guys how to actually open the boot. You're just gonna pull up on the lock handle, and there you go. Pull up and close it back. She has been wanting this boot for years, the original version, yes. But when she actually actively started looking for them, they were like not in the United States anymore.
It's sold out all around the US. So I was just anxious to get these, and when I saw that they had this boot available, I definitely went on ahead and got them. If you guys do follow us on our Instagram, on our stories, we actually did a poll for you guys whether I should get the talls or the short. So I know a lot of people, they went for the talls, but the reason why I didn't go for the talls is because I have been seeing a lot of people do reviews on the talls, and they were seeing like the calf, it's really tight on your calf. So I just decided to get the shorts. So this is what it is. You have the option of talls and shorts, and that's what I got. So with this boot, you guys, I did have some difficulties like opening up this padlock because I didn't know what the heck I was doing, and it didn't come with instructions on how to get this padlock open. It didn't. So the only way that she'll be able to even put this boot on is if you loosen up this clasp right here. And it took Quee to help me. She was like, give me that boot. I don't know what to do. So she actually figured it out and she opened it for me. And I know a lot of people, they were asking about sizing. So with this boot on the website, it does tell you to do like a half size up. But for me, I went a whole size up because this boot is super narrow. Of course, it is like a wedged boot, so it's very narrow. And as far as the comfort, for me, the inches on this was a 3.7, and if you guys don't know, I play basketball, so my ankles are freaking shot to hell. So when I put these on, I was like, ugh, I'm falling. So for me, these were actually pretty high, but if you are a girl that like 6-inch heels, 4-inch heels, then you'll be pretty good with these. So yeah, these are my new babies, and I'm so excited. I just really wanted to show you guys what this new release looked like because I have been trying to find the original version for so long. So I'm happy that they came out with this boot.
Okay guys, that is the end of our video. If you liked our video, definitely make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button and definitely make sure you leave us a comment. As for the question of the day, could you see yourself purchasing these boots? If so, would you purchase the short or the tall? Let us know down below. And until next time,
Don't forget to stay what?
chic
Chic Squad
out.